What did the motorbikers do to you the last day?
What did they do?
She was waving, the other one of the big motorbikers.
Did you tell Pappy what you did to all the bus drivers in Dublin? What did you do to all the bus drivers?
What? Oh, you want to sit on the wall?
I want to see it.
No.
Tell Pappy what you did to the bus drivers.
What did you do? What did you do, what? Eh?
Look at that wee boy.
That's some car, the big white one, isn't it? Orange. Right? Wait for the car now. Someone we got mad.
Wave, oh look at the big truck coming in a minute. You'll have to wave to that.
Wave to the, do that there to the truck anyway. Blow the horn, do that there. Do that to him. Do the hand up and down. Blow the horn.